Florabelle the Clown, and I'm here from Boca Point, Clowns on Call. And thanks to ClownAntics, my skit is called Herd of Elephants? Hello, Gertrude. It's Florabelle. It doesn't sound like me. I have a little cold in my nose, but I want to tell you about yesterday. I had the most wonderful day yesterday. I went to the zoo and I saw lions and tigers and monkeys and a great big bunch of elephants. Heard? Heard of what? Heard of elephants? Of course I've heard of elephants. What do you think I am? Stupid? An elephant herd? I don't care if an elephant herd. I didn't say anything bad. Goodbye, Gertrude. Hi, I'm Florabelle the Clown. And from all of us at Boca Point Clowns on Call, I hope you enjoyed watching Herd of Elephants. And please go to ClownAntics on YouTube channel for more videos. Bye for now, and don't forget to smile when you see a clown. Bye.